Greetings. This is Kevin Gregg from Mississippi in the United States of America. You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
.5 FM, Subic Bay Radio. Welcome to the Morning Brew Show. You're with DJ Tommy G, the Hitman. It's a rainy Monday. Start your week right. Started at Bay FM 895 Subic Bay Radio. For this case, we're gonna start it wet. It's been raining since yesterday, no? Hindi na tumigil, no? May mga binaha na lugar na ba sa area natin? Wala pa naman so far, no? Sana wag na bahain. Okay na medyo bumubuhos ng konti, ganyan. Yung mahinang buhos lang. Pero yung biglaan, Diyos ko, yun kagad yung mag-iipon ng maraming tubig. Baha na rito at doon. Buti at least nag-improve na ng konti ngayon, di ba? Years back, di ba? Sabi nga yung joke sa atin dito sa lugar natin, sa city of Olongapo and neighboring areas din, umihi lang daw yung kambing baha na. Pero now, we're not experiencing that anymore, di ba? Unless umulan talaga ng tuloy-tuloy, malakas, tapos sumabay pa yung high tide yun. May mga magiging pagbaha pa rin, hindi maiwasan. Okay, anyways, we're starting things up for the Morning Brew Show. 11:42 is the time right now. And the time check brought to you by Royal Duty Free Shops. Check out this rainy season. Stock up on pantry essentials. Get your pick of quality canned goods at Royal Duty Free Shops starting at 10% off. All right? Especially if you live in the Subic Bay Freeport Zone area. Shopping is now made easier with your very own personal shopper. Find out more. Visit the official website. They have their official website, www.royalsubic.com. All right? And you include the search word personal shopper. Okay? 252-3258 for more inquiries. Call it up. The hotline number. All right? And also they have the ongoing promo pa rin. Still ongoing. The Stars and Stripes, July 4 to 18. And Chocolate Carnival, July 7 to August 7. If you're gonna check the official website, you're gonna find out more about it, of course. The catalog is always posted there at the website that I mentioned. Okay? Also check out their official social media pages. Okay? So time for me now to give you today's holidays and observances and famous birthday segment, July 22. Wow, time flies so fast. Hanggang 31 tayo, no? So 9 days na lang. August na. Darating na si paring Augusto. And holidays and observances brought to you by Wawas Jr., Subic Bay Freeport Branch, and the Lincoln Heights Subdivision Branch. Subic Bay Freeport Branch is now open. It's been closed for a couple of days, pero they're back. Stall number 18, one-stop shop building, Subic Bay Freeport, just beside the Subic Gym and Remy Field. Okay? For deliveries, 0927-895-9714. What they can deliver you are mouth-watering burgers, fries, and other tasty snacks. Swak sa budget. Yeah. Okay? Once again, 0927-895-9714 for Lincoln Heights Subdivision Branch, 0927-950-8775. On with today's holidays and observances, July 22 is Be a Good Teammate Day. You know what they usually say? Kapag hindi ka good teammate, ang madalas sabihin, di ba? You're not a team player. Di ba? Hindi ka raw team player. But what if you're a tennis player, di ba? May karapatan kang sumagot. Well, you tell them, I'm a tennis player. It's not a team game. Pang-pilosopo lang, di ba? Alright. And what else? Today is aside from being a good teammate, Mango Day. Okay. I didn't knew that. July 22 pa lang. I thought it's somewhere around summer. Dahil ang mango sa atin is, blossoming and blooming and talagang ang dami at mura pa pag summer, di ba? Pero yeah, apparently it's July 22. Sa bagay, sabi nga nila, kung tag-ulan, that's the best season to plant trees. So mango is no different, di ba? Rainy days is the best season to plant your mango seeds. So, July 22, Mango Day. And the Philippines is, well, we can proudly say we have the best mango in the world. Sa Philippines, pinakamasarap daw. Sabi nga nung yung mga nagsabi, nakatikim, nakabili. We have the best tasting mangoes in the world. And dito lang sa atin available yung type or yung species ng mango natin na yan na masarap, yung paghinog lalo na. Yun, okay. It has something to do with our soil. Okay? So kung soil natin yun, syempre, exclusive nga naman dito yun. Yung soil natin, nandito lang yan. Soil natin eh. Alangan dalhin yung soil sa ibang bansa. Alright. What else? Today is also Summer Leisure Day. Oh, this is in the US. Ayan. Doon kasi summer sa kanila. Yun pala yun. Okay. So there you have it. Just some of today's holiday observances. And for all of you July 22 birthday celebrants, this one's for you.
Birthday to you, happy birthday.
Famous people celebrants include Apolinario Mabini. All right, he is one of our heroes, national heroes, Filipino revolutionary leader, educator, lawyer, and statesman who served as the first legal constitutional advisor to the revolutionary government, and then as the first Prime Minister of the Philippines upon establishment of the first Philippine Republic. There you go. Revolutionary turned, politician, diplomat, journalist, and even autobiographer. Okay? He was born July 22, 1864. One of the big celebrities celebrating her birthdays today, Selena Gomez, July 22, 1992. Shawn Michaels, aka the Heartbreak Kid of WWE, World Wrestling. WWF yan noon muna nung tag team sila niya, may katag team siya eh. Sino ba yung katag team ni Shawn Michaels? Shawn Michaels, the Heartbreak Kid, and I forgot the name of the other dude. All right, and their tag team was really, really popular back then because they have great moves, kaya napaka-popular na. Tapos pareho pang pogi. Ahahay! Shawn Michaels the pogi, sabi nga. David Spade of Saturday Night Live, comedian, July 22, 1964. What do comedians do? They comede. Movie actor William Dafoe, July 22, 1955. TV game show host Alex Trebek. Ayan na. It's playing in my head. Alam nyo na yun. Yung Jeopardy. Yung napaka-iconic ng entrance song and theme song. MMA fighter Israel Adesanya. Okay? Very, very good MMA fighter. Middleweight division champion in the UFC. And he won also the unified middleweight UFC championships in 2019. Okay? Galing tumaman to. If you have his set of skills and you strike like as deadly as him, you're like invincible. No one will mess with you. He turns 35 today. All right? But I think he's past his prime na eh. Kasi alam mo naman in the world of sports, lalo na ito contact sports to, di ba? Youth is a huge factor. If you're in sports, if you're in your 30s, pag pumasok ka na ng 30s mo, lalo na mid-30s to late 30s, you're old. And R&B singer Keith Sweat, July 22, 1961. Movie actor Danny Glover turned 78 today, July 22, 1946. Lastly, movie actor John Leguizamo, July 22, 1960. He turned 64 today. All right, so there you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. July 22 birthday celebrants. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday to you.